What's the meaning of add-on? Add-on. 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 The term add-on refers to a software feature that provides additional functionality to an existing program or application. An add-on typically adds new features, capabilities or functions that are not present in the original software. Add-ons can be created by third-party developers or by the software company itself. They can be downloaded and installed separately from the main software. The results of adding an add-on can range from minor cosmetic changes to major improvements in functionality, such as enhanced security, performance or user experience. Overall, add-ons provide a way for software users to customize and enhance their software experience to better meet their needs.